have a Congo African gray parrot named Buster, who can learn a phrase in an afternoon. I taught him to scream the rapture is here, hide the booze, whenever he hears a doorbell as a joke. However, things took a turn when my very religious parents visited for dinner. As soon as they pressed the doorbell, Buster went into a frenzy, flapping his wings and screaming the phrase at the top of his lungs. My mom dropped her casserole, and my dad started praying on the porch. When I opened the door, Buster flew onto my dad's shoulder and whispered, "They're coming for you, Gary," which shocked me since my dad's name is Robert. My parents left within 10 minutes, convinced that I've joined an occult group or that my house is a portal to hell. I never expected my joke to backfire so badly and traumatize my parents.